Hello there. Well, Sunday so far has been dominated by a quiet but rather cloudy start. Any glimpses of sunshine has been fleeting, but as you can see, a beautiful morning in Morgan, Cornwall. A glorious morning if you're a kite surfer in Northern Ireland, because the winds have been picking up here. We've got rain now, and it will turn increasingly wet and windy as we go through the rest of the afternoon and into the evening. So here, some rain around, quite a lot of cloud. The cloud thick enough out to northwest England and Wales for the odd spot or two of drizzle. So the sunshine will tend to come and go in one or two spots if we're lucky, but those temperatures a little bit more subdued in comparison to the last few days. Highs of 23 degrees, 73 Fahrenheit. But the winds will continue to strengthen to the north, and we'll see gusts in excess of 45 miles an hour. The rain turning quite heavy as it moves its way into western Scotland, all tied into this area of low pressure here. So we are going to start off on Monday on a north-south divide. But as this weather front pushes in, we're going to tap into a southwesterly wind, and we've got some extreme heat across the near continent at the moment. So it will turn increasingly humid. More on that in just a moment, but let's concentrate on this rain. The brighter yellows and greens denoting the intensity of the rainfall. We could see as much as 2 to 3 inches of rain falling across western Scotland, perhaps lighter in nature through eastern Scotland. An intense but rather narrow band of rain to look out for in Northern Ireland first thing, and again rather cloudy skies across northwest England and Wales. But there will be some early morning sunshine to the east of the Pennines, and with that southerly flow, that humidity will increase as well. Now the rain will continue to move its way north and east, turning a little bit more fragmented in nature. Highs of 20 degrees here, but look at this, to the east of England we could see highs of 26 degrees once again. That's 80 Fahrenheit. Through the evening and overnight, that rain will continue to push its way southeast. A narrow band of intense heavy rainfall for a time, but because it's been so humid during the day, it could be quite an uncomfortable night for England and Wales to get a good night's sleep once again. As we move through Tuesday morning though, some welcome news for gardeners out there across Lincolnshire, East Anglia and South East England. Some much needed rain for our gardens. Behind it, slowly brightening up, but once again a few scattered sharp showers being pushed into Northern Ireland and Scotland. Here only 19 or 20 degrees, but we could just see 25 in East Anglia. That's 77 Fahrenheit. Moving into Wednesday, low pressure returns once again into the far northwest, and the winds will be a feature. So another spell of heavy rain here, not looking quite so bad across England and Wales. So it's a wet and windy day potentially into Scotland. Some showery rain out towards the west, but on the whole, a relatively dry day. Not quite as warm. We could see temperatures picking up at 23 degrees. Now, as we close out the rest of this week, that north-south divide is likely to continue. So we're always likely to see low pressure up into the far north of the country and weather fronts tumbling in, but the Azores high just sitting across the near continent. So from time to time we are likely to see the best of the drier and the warmer weather across central and southern England. So we could see that heat and humidity returning into next week, but further north and west it stays cooler with showers or longer spells of rain at times. Take care.